Nkechi, leave me alone. Leave my... what will you do? What will you do? You think you're the only one who knows how to ask? Keep prancing. She's asking me what Keep prancing. Just leave my... I will not leave you alone. I will not leave you alone. You won't leave me alone. No. Did you like keep prancing? Because that's the only thing you know how to do. Nkechi. I don't have time for your drama this afternoon. Oh yeah, you don't have time for my drama. Leave me alone. I should leave you alone. The same way I was in the village when you exhibited your madness the other day. What did I tell you? That if I catch him, I will deal with you. Thank God there's nobody around now to separate us. It is me, and you only get your filthy hands off me. What's your problem? Don't look like someone who is dragging anything with you. Yeah? Is it my fault? Okay. I will deal with you. Is it my fault that you cannot service your time by an election? Is it my
Please stop. Don't do this. You big girls. You don't need to be fighting on the road.
It's not my daughter. No,
stop, please. You don't need to be fighting on the road now. So it's not right.
Let me tell you something. I am not the type of girl that fights over a man. No, I only confronted you last time because of the lies you told about me. Oh, yes, that's what pain you are.
It's okay. So stop this. It's okay.
That you don't know how to service your man. You're very stupid. You are very stupid. You're very bad. What's your problem?
Don't stop.
Not my problem.
Then start. Oh, that's I'm going to turn out.
My brother. Bring my bell.
This is out of behavior.
What?
Yeah?
Why?
Hey.
What would you do now, my boy? Friend? Oh, you get here. You want to go with him now, Abby? Next time you come and tell me I took a man from you. Idiot. Let me just catch you again. Stupid girl. We do that. What? Because of this not very girl. What would think?
I don't know. The money I have with me is in that bag. All my documents, everything is in that bag.
Oh, yeah?
You guys go straight. Why should you be fighting on me?
Is that stupid girl now? Look at what she did. I'll come back for you.
Now, who will I do now?
So let's see if I can find them.
How? Do I know them? Yeah?
Think. Let's just try, right? Let's go and try, right? It is my pride. He's up and reported. Say no more now. That is already out there.
I have been there for I just love some use to get then what's your function? That's what's it. Now you
Can you do that now? Yeah? I can't just imagine I want to collect. I wish everybody outside and collect.
Understand? Not pushing anybody else. I just begged that I need to reach the date. See it. That's all.
No, but what you just is like analyst. Doesn't make sense.
You are very stupid.
You're mad.
You are very, very stupid.
You want to know here?
I'm not blind.
Yeah?
They just sit on that after the words. Just let me get the from there. I had it.
Can you imagine?
Oh my God. I understand something.
My kind just walking like that.
You saw it off of my plan. For I name it. It's on the ideal.
Watch it.
I don't tell man.
So me not friend of the line. So I don't have sense.
You are just a
You are mannerless.
You are just a
You don't see your wet clean.
Hey.
What have done what does.
You are frustrated. You know when you're frustrated? You are frustrated.
No, enter now.
I didn't know what I'm talking
Enter. Why must you do that? Why must you do that? Why must you do that? Let me see you enter. How much do you have said?
Wow.
How much do you want to collect?
That's too good. Go on.
Yeah,
but you want it.
Don't mind that.
No. That is your rubbish. Look at that. Oh, yeah, let me hit here.
I will use it.
Use it. I will use it now. No problem. No sense.
Who's my card?
Look at this man. Look at this madman. Let me withdraw money. You don't have how much do you have? You don't have how much do you have? You don't have. Don't worry, I'll find my card and see how much I will draw. You look at me. You will see how much I will draw. Okay, you that have money. Withdraw, let me see. I pity the husband that will marry you. Who include that money if you buy it? You do have what? What dress? Because what I'm not without it, I know. What I look at. Father, I will be here and watch you and collect the money. Collect money, let me see it.
What is fool? Nonsense.
After now, one man will come and marry one trouble. I'll put it in his house. Trouble.
What is all this drama for? The security just called me that you're here insisting to see me. I was the one that asked them to tell you to wait outside. Eh?
I didn't fight them. They wouldn't just allow me in. So I asked them to call you. After all, I did not fight them. You can ask them.
It's fine. There's no need for that. I'm here now. What is it? You know you don't work here anymore.
I know, but you said you're going to send some money to my account. Up to now, I've not seen anything.
Yes. That's because we discovered that you've not settled the loan given to you by the management. So we had to use your money to settle it.
How can you use all my money to settle the management? What I have left to pay back is 15,000 naira. I'm supposed to be getting 25,000 naira as my own money. How can you use all my money to settle the management?
Oga, the money you stole from the management, we've used the rest of your money. In fact, I'm the one that even helped you out to add 5,000 naira extra to make up the money. So you are supposed to appreciate me for that.
Excuse me, is it because I didn't succumb to your terms? That's why you framed me up. Why are you doing this? What will you gain?
Don't put a business. Please just get out of this place before I ask the security to chase you out.
Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry for disturbing you. Yeah. Morning, what is it? Sir, I'm traveling and I don't have enough money with me. I don't know if you can assist me. Miko. How much are you looking at? So I don't know. I need like 10,000 naira, but I have like 4,000 naira with me here. Yes. And that means you need 6,000. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. This 20,000, I think it will go a long way. Of course, sir. It's enough. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you, all. Sir, you will never die. You never see no sickness. Thank you. Hey, thank you, sir.
Gorgina. So, you are begging. So, no, you came to this city to beg, and you have the guts to talk to me.
You think I have your time? You think I have your time? Auntie Yo-Yo, Mommy Water, again. You think I have your time? I don't even have your time. Those are your mates, giving people money. And we're there talking.
How much have you made? Have you paid up to 10,000? Don't worry, I have 100,000.
I don't need your money. I don't need your money. I don't need it.
We see your mentality. We don't have money.
Yeah.
You have the guts to talk to me. You don't have future. You want a future.
Take your money and go. I don't need it.
We don't have a future.
Thank you. Because you think the whole world is enough for you now because you have this thing. This some tomatoes that you're carrying about.
That is this thing. Now you have like this best. Like you're using your net to work out.
Look at this best is the best. When you do look at this best, you have first rates.
Why don't you keep begging till you die?
That's what this is.
Come on.
Your tribe.
Come on.
See your head.
Come on, let me give you money.
Your head. After now, this are you, mommy, water.
Wait, baby, children. Then I don't know. Then I'm not. Please!
On your body, the dog man, you have got it. Only water, they called it. See your car. Your tire is very low. Your tire is turning. Nonsense. Come on, Jenna, who You guy insulted me. Rather insulted my feet.
Okay.
I'm going to hustle. I'm going to hustle in the city. I'm not going back again, Oz. I'm not going back again to that village. I'll stay in this city and puzzle and make it. Then. Hello, Mama. Huh? I'm thinking something. I'm not coming again, though. Not coming again. Yeah, something more. I have some things to sort out in the city. How is your health? I'm happy that you're better now. You're stronger now, eh? Thank God. And I thank God for Japan who has a better people and take care of you. We needed to work each other and they're right. I will see you very soon. Okay. Okay. I'm all for you back. Hold on. What? Hey. Hey. Come.
Are you not discussed? What's wrong?
You?
Yes, me. Listen, I saw you run past my house. Then I decided to follow to know what is going on.
Yeah. I saw the guy who stole my bag, so immediately he saw me, he took off.
That should be expected. Besides, have you reported it to the police?
There's no need going to the police. This guy is from this street, so I can spot him at any time. I mean, I've seen him now.
That's the whole essence of reporting to the police. You just do your part and leave the rest. When they catch him, they will definitely call you. Report it to the police, go home, relax yourself, and just hope that they will be caught.
Did you say go home?
Of course, that's what you should do.
Anyway, go home. It's for those who have a home to go to, not for homeless person like me.
You must have gone through so much. I mean, you don't have a house.
So that was the whole story. I was innocently accused and got fired from my working place for nothing. My landlord also threw my things away, took some of my properties to court.
just because I couldn't meet up with the put notice brought to me by the lawyer.
Why is it that some people do not fear God? I mean, we have just one person who created the heavens and the earth. And your so-called landlord is living rent-free on this earth. That building, he built it on somebody's land, and that person is God. So what has God charged him?
You won't blame him. He used his money to build the house.
So what? So what is wrong with him? Why is it that heartless? Come on. Does he think you have the money and you refuse to pay him?
I don't know.
And that's other one, the hotel manager. I mean, what was the reason she set you up? Why?
Yeah. She did that because I couldn't just succumb to her request.
And what request was that?
Wanting me to sleep with her and start having an affair with her. So I refused and she set me up.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I'm not kidding. She just had to set me up because I told her that she is not the one who employed me directly. That it was the MD who employed me.
Why didn't you report her to the MD?
Report who to the MD? How can you report somebody's girlfriend to that person?
Oh, now
He will always side her,
Yeah, you're right. But what will you do now? Because as it stands, you have no place to stay, and you just told me you don't want to go back to the village. So how are you going to survive?
I don't even know what to do now. I wanted to ask if you can help me plead with your brother. Just I believe that you stay here with your brother. Help me plead with your brother if I can stay here for some time till I raise money to get my own apartment, then I'll move.
Oh, about that. You can stay. You don't need his permission.
Why? Is he going to allow that?
Well, is considering the fact that I stay here alone. Yes, I live here alone. Don't get it wrong. I only told you about my brother because I know you will refuse to come here with me if I told you I lived alone, considering how ladies have been mean and wicked to you, or towards you rather. So I had to tell you that little story so you come with me. But trust me, no hidden tricks. You can stay, at least till you find something and get your own place.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Really, you have a nice place here.
I get by. Let me
But truthfully, do you stay here alone?
worry. Everything fine. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anyway.
Good day, ma. Bros, good day, oh.
Who are you?
My name is Hope. Actually, I'm here to look for a job. Any kind of job, I can do it.
Does here look like an office where you look for a job?
I know it's not an office. I know it's a residence hall. Okay, but I at least any kind of job, if you can help me with, I will do it.
I brought that blow job. What's which mean?
Sir, I can do anything.
No job. And I had and fellas out then. I have not also.
It's okay, sir.
You know what? Just come back here tomorrow morning. I think my dad has a job.
What was that for?
What a day. Amen.
You also.
Were you pronouncing me?
No worry, saw you entering into the car. What's going on? Yes.
Too much, yo. What's with the bag?
Come on, Faith. Was this bag look like a stolen bag to you?
Did I say anything like stolen or steal or... I don't understand. I only asked you, what's with the bag?
Babe, I can't come into your house with a stolen bag, man. You know hard, man. Trust me.
You're just a typical Nigerian. I asked you what's with the bag, and you're talking about stolen, you're talking about stealing, you're talking about steal. Anyway, we'll leave that one. Hope you no plan come cack from my house,
Shall
Shan.
open stay up, please. I only came to drop this bag with you. Maybe later I'll come and pick it up.
What's in the inside?
Nothing, I just normal male clothes, you know. The guy don't do into business now. Nice one, so if you check them out.
Worry you?
Yes, now.
You know they sell male things like this, so...
Really, I don't start with that, though. Gradually, I will get my own, but see, are you very patronize me?
Happy for you, Sha. And you're no longer frolicking with those area boys in the street.
Which one with that one now? Maybe calm down.
I no come like this.
We don't start.
Yes.
More time expansion will enter.
Man, I'm happy for you.
I'll make you spread the good news.
No wahala, no wahala. No worry, I'll be prepared.
I bet, yeah? Later I will come back, I'll become.
Talk about it here. Alright, already okay, shoot. Okay, now, later. Down. Oh. I used to do something once. He fell without thought to give you a walkie. They were here.
But please, you shouldn't have asked that young man to come to see me. How will he feel now if I tell him that we don't need a house help?
Daddy, she was the one who asked me to look for a house help. Someone that will be doing the cooking and cleaning the house. Now Kevin is out of town. I'm the only one in this house. Hey, you know me, I don't have power to clean now. His house is too big for me.
Well, I didn't say we don't need a house help.
But you just said that, no. You said you don't need one.
Yes, we don't need a male house help.
Oh, now I get it. You prefer a female house help.
Yes. Why are you smiling?
I feel the same, right? I feel.
I know why you changed your mind, Dad.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You are protecting your girl.
Well, that's correct.
Listen, because of what Lucas did to Sandra.
Of course. I mean, I wouldn't be happy, if my pretty daughter is all alone in the house with some stranger as a housekeeper. That would be acceptable to me. Well, you know the story of Lucas very well, That Lucas, I never liked him from the onset. In fact, I had to stomach all the things I saw so as not to offend your mom. In fact, at the point, she was even thinking that something was going on between us. But I'm happy that at the end of the day, I was vindicated.
Yes, definitely.
And what's that?
Having a peaceful way in our side is better than having the best in us. Trust it.
I know you are right. But at the same time, we are going to be very careful so as not to make the same mistake twice. Eh?
No felt like that, but please, hey, don't say anything. That be pain.
Hey.
No wahala now. We go tell person say today, say God is God. No wahala. But basically, who can take? Who can take the Bible and drop that? Who can take that? Puchi, I know cheap drugs. I feel gas. Which one of them? Oh, they ask me. Come on, say something serious, Joe. Everybody out. See, MB, I'm not going to say God be God. God is God, I tell you. See, MB. Watch my face, look my face. I'm not a joke. I'm not a joke. And the time if I didn't lost the time of this day, what did I want from him? Which is like, you lost your mind. Are you sick upstairs? Better. You call me here to tell me stories. Look for that work. Heavy. You didn't ask me whether I up there, right? So if you say like the sea, which kind of top is that one? Sepi, let me tell you, huh? You see that part? If no be me take up, now you take up. Because no, as you know, say that part they there. If no be me take up, now you take up. Now you see that part, and just shut up when I talk. Let me go fight out. But you understand? Now, what did that call mean? Don't forget to say God, because you called me. Every you told me that the young saw. I think you ran you went after you. So what are you telling me? You should know where the bag is. Happy. You called me here to tell me stories. I didn't mad. Now that one my business. That one my business, I tell you. Let's see. I thought me check out, now you check out. And you see that bag? Man, tell you, it's on that. Oh, Edwin. And I'm gonna find out why. Not forget. You not forget me. Say not forget. No handler. No problem. At the time you say, God, He's God. And they know me. I'm me. God.
No. No. Anyhow, Shara, anything's just the very thing. Alright, I'm just after me what's come and sing about. As I'll be going back from here, I have a lot to do at home.
Okay, now you talk on phone.
Okay, no. Alright, bye-bye.
Sophia, please wait. Good afternoon, Joseph.
You are the only person that saw me coming to Faith's house with a bag. If anybody there asks you if you saw me with any bag, tell the person no. Not even my friend Puchi. Are you listening to me?
Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. Just do as I say. And I strongly believe I can count on you with this secret.
I've heard people say B. Is that all?
That's all. No fall my hand though. You dey hear me?
Alright, I've heard you. Can I go now?
You can go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Hi.
How did it go?
Actually, it went well. The only one I saw is house cleaner. Yeah. The girl I spoke with said I should come back this evening or tomorrow morning.
But why the job of a house cleaner? Can't you look for another job?
I have no option for now. The only problem I'm having now is how to get my credentials.
Yeah, I understand. But that will be difficult because those guys who stole that stuff from you may not even know it's important and they just dispose of it.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
It's okay. Just relax. Let me get something to eat, okay?
Okay.
Oh. So I'll just think something in the microwave.
Yeah, fit.
Yeah.
Who owns this dad?
Oh, it belongs to a friend of mine.
That's a friend of yours?
Yes, a friend of mine. Who is it? I'm coming. What is it? Why are you turning around as if someone is after you?
Faith, there's nobody that's after me. It's that bag that I gave you to keep for me. I have come for the bag. Please, go inside and get me the bag right now. I have customers that are waiting on me now. I need to show them those notes. Please.
Ibeh, why are you acting like you stole the bag? Did you steal the bag?
Hey, please. I don't want you and I to banter words, right? Go in there and get me my bag. I'm not here for questions. I already told you I'm into men's ways. So why all these questions?
Okay, don't insult me. Let me go and get your bag.
Ahead. Now you did talk. About this man.
Shit.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in our balance.
Oh, what are you doing searching someone's bag?
This is not someone's bag. This is my bag.
How do you mean?
This is my bag that I told you that was stolen. That I have my clothes and my credentials inside.
The boy that gave me these bags outside. Sincerely, I had no idea.
I heard everything you guys said out there. That guy out there was one of the guys that stole this bag.
Abe, this boy will never change. He can never change.
If that guy does not provide my credentials, I am going to have it hot with him.
Faith, you went in to get my bag. So where is my bag?
It's with the owner.
If it's a joke, just stop it. I'm not here to prank jokes with you. And I don't want to get angry with you. Go in there and get my bags.
If I just told you, it is with the owner. The original one at that. Besides, do I look like I'm joking? Am I a comedian?
Hey, where are my credentials?
Where did I get that?
It was Richie that removed it from the bag.
I need them now before I get you arrested.
Oh, please don't arrest me, please.
What? You really threw Pamela's credentials at the back of a shade?
King said my idea. For Uche, he said the credentials will not be useful to us, so he just threw them. He threw them away.
You, Ibeh, that is even a graduate.
I'm sorry. It was Uche's idea, sir. Oh, please.
See. If I did not get those things attached, I didn't take it. You better be You will be able to close the door.
Sir, please.
Chill, get right into there. I'm ready. Let's go. Move it.
Is he with him, man?
Good afternoon. Sorry, please, where's the meaning of all these papers?
What? Your credentials! Your credentials!
Michael.
How, Michael? Thank you, babe. Credentials.
Hey, I'm very angry now. Oh my God! Thank God! Get locked. You get locked. Hey, thank God my possessions are complete. Thank God. Oh yeah, scamper. Oh bros.
Is it a time for me to rejoice it? Please calm down now. I think you can go from here now before I treat that for you. I just stand down. I hold myself because of this game. I'm not supposed to hold you anywhere, so what? You're not going to do it, Jared. You're not going to do it. You're not going to do it.
I've heard what you said, but I'm sorry I cannot hire you.
Sir, please, I won't disappoint you. I know how to do house chores very well. I was a supervisor in the former place I was working. Trust me.
Listen, your qualifications are too high for this job. How can I employ a graduate to do your household chores? It doesn't seem right to me.
Sir, I need this job. I need it. Instead of me to stay idle at home doing nothing, it's better for me to do this one till I get a better job to do. Please.
Dad, he really wants to work. Don't deny him this opportunity.
It's okay. But you have to bring somebody that will stand in as a guarantor for you. That is the procedure. I am home today. I won't be going to work. If you can come before 5, that'll be fine, because from 6 I have an engagement.
Okay, sir, I will do that.
That's okay. Let it be like that, okay? What of your parents? What of your father?
Okay, my mother is in the village, but my father, I don't have any clue of him.
Oh. So, you grew up in a house without a father?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes. My mother said my father left us when I was 2. Until now, she doesn't know his whereabouts.
Well, it's okay. I asked because you demanded to know somebody I knew. I'll see you again.
Okay, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. You made me got the job.
And you have to hurry so that you can get your guarantor. So you start immediately.
Okay, ma. I believe my cousin can stand in for me.
Please, don't call me ma. You are old enough to be my elder brother. So why are you calling me ma? My name is Peace. You can address me as Peace.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. I will take my leave now.
Okay, let me see them. Look, Kedwin. You need to talk to your girl. Yes, Doris. She has to mind the way she talks to people, irrespective of their position. It's not nice. Is it because she's in a higher position? The way you treat people has a way of coming back to you, be it negative or positive. See, I would not want people to start addressing my brother's fiancé as an insolent person who do not have regard for people. I wouldn't want that. I am talking about how she treated Clifford today. You know, Doris had the guts to raise her hands on Clifford. I was there. I witnessed it. Not as if he did anything wrong. He did not do anything wrong. Yes. Yes, you can tell her. Tell her that I reported at you. Yes. No problem. Good.
I really do want to express my gratitude towards you. I mean, you barely know me, but you died love for me.
Well, my heart accepted you, and that's it. I just feel you're a good person who deserves to be assisted. And that's what I did. Though what I'm doing for you today might not pay me back immediately. But I know that someday my goodwill will definitely pay. So I'm paying it forward with you, of course.
Thank you so much once again, and you're such a wonderful person. I mean, you stood in for me as a granddaughter.
It's nothing. I'm not okay, pretty. Listen. I just want you to focus, okay? And just remember you have bigger plans ahead.
Yeah, definitely, I do. I know that. I have talked to my boss. I told him while working as a cleaner that I'll still be looking out for a better opportunity. And he agreed to that.
Behavior. Wow. That's so kind of him. He's truly a kind person.
Yeah.
You know, when I met him, I just love his personality. He's a kind person.
You're right. Lucky me.
Yes, lucky you. And I pray to God that while you're working there, you don't have any problems with anyone. That everything will just work out smoothly and your job just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes.
Yeah, real. It's real. Thank you so much once again.
Well, I'm truly happy for you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I understand. I mean, imagine the letdown. I just imagine in front of a gate man.
Can you imagine?
It's just because she's my fiance's sister. If not it, I'll forget her. I'll for sure, baby. You know what I mean? I'm with her.
Did you call Kerwin to tell him about?
I didn't have to call him. He was the one that called me. He was the one that called me and told me about everything. Yes.
What did he say when you called him?
Well, she literally... I told him how she intimidated me right in front of the gatesman. You trust me now? And we know how Kelvin can be. Kelvin was so hot. He wants to give her hot, but mommy just calm her down. Make it not be like some mommy cause problem between brother and sister. You understand? Babe, get into the car.
But babe, see, you need to apply wisdom to this, because when I say that your that girl, Sabi.
Auntie enter car in the phone. Huh? What if it is? Bye, talk about it.
1,000. $2,000. Where we that? Who they knock? Sandra. Now, wow, Sandra. Let's not spell this your fight color. Go. Sit down. No, sit down, no. Make them say I keep pregnant woman standing. Sit down, I beg. No worry. Okay.
Hey, you did.
Oh, we thank God, though.
I'll walk.
Oh, thank God, we'll fine. Who they try? Who they try? Hey, Sandra. Hey, now God good, though. I can see that the pikin waiting for your belly is really growing very fast.
Thank God, though.
Oh, thank God, though.
Oga Kelvin in their house.
Okay, Kelvin. Hey, they in travel. He traveled few days ago. Fine. Yes.
My case. Dad, when is he coming back?
I don't know. You know, God Kevin, I tell they behave now. He know they like tell anybody movement at all. He can just come out to jam. Okay, where they go? He don't go. He won't talk to you.
Yes, I know.
Hey, Sandra. I hope they know there.
I came to see Paul urgent something. Yes, Greg.
Call her now. Why the call her?
Don't call her. No pitch.
What then? Your phone lost. Okay. Why not send message? Hey, this message if you see that one. That message go good.
Okay, I could do that one when I reach her.
Okay.
How is peace? She did inside.
Peace no now. Peace to no day. He come out. You know, as they do now, just the person could just wake up one morning to fight to. That's all.
Okay, my regards to her when she comes back.
Okay. Sandra. No, that Ekene, you know this Hausa boys with the yeah. I'm there, man. Sandra, fight that. Bye, you. Bye, Sandra. Hi. You know, say, if woman never carry belly, she no go ever agree, say, she did do. Hi. So we did this house together. We no say Lucas and Sandra, they busy, they act Telemundo for us. I thank God for Bele. Now Bele the only disgrace them. If woman never carry Bele, she no go ever agree for this life, say she did do.
I'm fine, no. Where's you coming from? I stopped by to check on you people. I was told no one was around.
Oh yeah, that's true. I just stepped out to get something. And you know, of course, Dad will be in the office by now.
Yes,
I think
He's fine, no.
You know what? Just come, let's go back home so I can give you something to eat. And I'll go. You can't just come and go like that. The sun is too much.
Thank you. His son is too much. I even thought it's such too much. Are you ready for the game? You've reached it. Come on.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in no balance. Hey, we live in a world where the tail becomes the head. Life in no balance, yo. We are the good ones are oppressed, oh, and the bad ones appear to be blessed, oh. Life in no balance, yo, in no balance. But one day, now one day, this life must balance, yo. One day, now one day.
You're welcome.
We had to hear that.
Hold on. But you, we held the city down. Sure. I pardon what he was the avocado. Book being a state of he the governed by bank and blood sea came past played with oh. He said you.
Do you have up already?
And well go. They should know Hope meets Sandra, Sandra meets Hope. Hope Sandra was our former cook and cleaner.
Oh, really? Sandra, you're welcome.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
A pleasure.
You're doing a great job.
Half. It's our work now, so what can we do?
Keep
Perfect. Okay, let me rush out to get something, Salbesh.
Pushing the perfect. It was ready in the back.
Yeah, definitely.
So tell me, how is Lucam?
He's fine. Thank God.
Well, you're going to eat. Though he made semo, but I know you don't like semo. But you still like your favorite food, right? No worries. So we're going to wait for him. Once he's back, he's going to make it for you. Very bored. Let me eat something to drink. What are you going to drink?
Anything, I hope.
Anything. I know your brand. Brand Sandra. Okay, let me take it.
He said, can't it with please? Thank you.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in no balance. Hey, we live in a world where the tail.
Are you okay? Are you expecting someone?
What was just? No, I was just surprised who could open the door like that, like an insider.
It's me. I'm an insider. He needs to
Welcome.
Okay, it's fine. Kelvin asked me to come confirm something in his room, so I hope you don't mind.
Yes, told me.
Market party.
Doris. Please, I'm really sorry about the way I spoke to you yesterday. Please forgive me.
Peace. Come on. I wouldn't hold your resentment to my heart for that long. You're a sister-in-law to me, so it's fine. We're family.
Thank you.
Easy. All right? No delido? Step to the fire. I do.
But one day, now one day, this life must balance, yo. One day, now one day, I got Monday, one day.
I did. I don't really do that. I don't even like no out. I don't. I like to. I thought I do. I do. Yeah. So that's what I do.
That's the time.
Oh, cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Sorry, I have to send you outside. The network was very bad, so I couldn't recharge on.
It's okay, I understand. I'm not complaining.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. But as I was coming in, I saw a car parked out there. So I thought you had a visitor. But coming in here, I see nobody.
Oh, you're talking about Doris. She's my friend.
Oh, afraid?
Please, I just want to... Who told me out here? What in God's blood is this beggar doing here?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? What do you mean, what am I doing here?
Is this your house?
What? You know, I'm beginning to think that you were paid to follow me around. Yes! Why are you following me around?
That question must be for you. Because I think somebody paid you to be following me around.
Look at this brother. Look at this brother. Look at you. Will you get out of the house?
Hey, which house? Stop posing with somebody's house. Which house? Park you out. Okay, but tell me you work here. They will tell me who you are here.
Okay.
Because Mr. Nelson's daughter that I know cannot apprehend these daughters.
Okay, so who am I? What is it? No. Please. Do you know what this man did to me? Do you know what this animal, the first minute that he met me, do you know what he did to me? He insulted me. He raised insult on me, telling me that I will never get married. This kid just said that to me.
Said that.
You want why?
Said that to you.
Wait.
You know what? One is your friend. Because I am tired of her insults. I cannot chew and swallow her insults again. She started insulting me from the first day I met her. And today, enough is enough. I'm not taking from you.
You are a pathological liar.
You are
You are a liar from the pit of hell.
Huh? You're a big fool.
You are a liar. Demonic.
You are a bunch of liars.
Please,
Please. I will not sit down and settle this.
This lady, I cannot take this insult from her again.
We don't shut up your mouth. Think I will get rid of
See how you're posing with another man's property, another man's house. Person's house, you're bragging with another person's
that. Is
house.
common thing. You are a common thief. Only Shikibo. So, let me tell you something. And I am going to get rid of you. Yes, I will make sure you go back to the village where you belong.
Go hurry your words. I am waiting for you.
Look at this idiot.
please, can you just calm down? Can you calm down?
Again, I will throw on you, on your head. You heard the sound, and I will suck it.
Man, you are in you.
Look at you. If we pray, look at your eyes.
Out! It's your hearing back out.
South out.
Tell me.
Look at that.
I've driven you to a point where you could not take it anymore. That's why you have to talk to her like that.
The brother is really trying, coping with her excesses.
Well, they've known themselves since secondary school days, but I'm still surprised. Doris was never like this. She was a sweet girl, so nice. I feel maybe her university classmates influenced her.
She doesn't just know what she's doing to herself. I think your brother needs to talk to her to change from her